my first ever big purchase, my first ever fine jewelry purchase was a Tiffany Co ring, and here we are again. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about fine jewelry. Again, I know there are so many fine jewelry lovers out there, and you always ask me to do more fine jewelry vlogs and, you know, take you to Tiffany Co, take you to other brands, and I was like thinking, okay, it's time to to integrate fine jewelry more into my channel, because I don't know why, I think I started collecting fine jewelry pieces, which is not a good thing obviously because it costs a lot of money and I should stick to bags, but yeah, I was tempted very much. If you haven't seen my most recent vlog yet when we go to Tiffany's, please go and check that one out. Yeah, I was there, I walked in, I saw a piece that I have tried on months and months before, and I fell in love, and I was like, oh, and the SA obviously was like, oh, by the way, this is the last piece that we have available. And I was like, oh, okay, so yeah, I need to make this happen then, because otherwise I would regret it. So guys, yeah, I would say, first of all, I'm gonna show you the unboxing, because I was so hyped. It's not a real unboxing today in this video, but I did film the original unboxing and I was blown away. It is, you know, I could not wait, that's all. I mean, no other excuses, I could not wait. I came home and I had to unwrap the beautiful little blue box and yeah, check the ring again and let me know what you think, guys. I think it is such a beautiful and special piece. I'm gonna show you close-ups of the ring, of course, in a second. And also I'm gonna tell you more about this beautiful piece and the other collections that Tiffany has and is famous for. And yeah, I mean, I don't know about you, you guys know I love snakes, and yeah, the moment I spotted this one, it is so beautiful and feminine, and I don't know, it is such a beautiful little ring. I really, really love it. It's the Elsa Peretti snake ring, and I've had my eye on this forever. I think it is the perfect piece. Obviously I'm a Slytherin, so you know. Yeah, okay guys, so this beautiful ring, we have it right here. I'm gonna show you close-ups in a second, of course. It's from Elsa Peretti, and if you know anything about Elsa Peretti, of course, she has passed away now, and you know, they do not know if those pieces will come back into stock or not, and because I've been loving this piece for so long, I was, you know, I just had to make sure to get it now, because I mean, I went to the flagship store on Bond Street and they actually said, hey, you know, this is the last piece that we have. So I was a little bit worried, of course, that I won't ever have the chance again to get this one. So okay, let me show you just a quick little, you know, this is the ring, in case you're interested. Maybe it's still available online or in other boutiques. Elsa Peretti snake ring. It is, the retail price here in the UK is 1,625, and it is the most gorgeous piece. But yeah, I can show it to you here. There it is. And I don't know why, I felt like it goes so well together with my other rings. I think this camera is a lot better when it comes to close-up shots. So this is the beauty, and can we see how beautifully it was made? You can really see the head of the snake. It is incredible. Love the tail as well. Such a beautiful piece. I'm gonna take it off in a second as well, because you need to see the Elsa Peretti logo on the inside. I think they look fabulous together. I know they're all very different, but somehow they do form a symbiosis, those rings, don't they? Love them. And of course, guys, my beautiful engagement ring. And in a couple of days, we're actually gonna be able to show you the wedding band as well. And it's such a matching set. It's so beautiful. Can't wait to show you guys. It's only a couple days away now. It's really difficult to focus in on this with the camera, but I think we can see it right. There it says Tiffany Co, and on top it says Elsa Peretti, and that is her handwriting. Yeah, so just in case you're wondering what the ring is made of, it is 18 karat gold. Also guys, when I visited Tiffany Co, I saw this incredible scorpion necklace. And wow, I mean, this one was made out of, I'm gonna check that too, but just the statement piece, you know, that this piece is, I was blown away. They actually only have the silver version of this in sterling silver on the website. They don't even have the golden version on the website, but it is incredible. So here we can see it again. I mean, you will have seen it in the little clip that I've shown you. It's such a statement piece, but imagine this in gold as well. It is absolutely incredible. Oh, you can actually make it shorter. I had no clue. That is interesting. You know, if you want to have a piece that's not, yeah, wow, I love that. Okay, so this one is 5,100. I think the ones we saw was almost 19,000. It was 18,000 something, I believe. Also what they have is this big, beautiful golden scorpion necklace that I've just shown you is a little bit too much for you. They also have this one. They also have this little necklace. I think that's the only picture that they have, but it's basically just a tiny little necklace. And I guess it would be like maybe this big. But yeah, this one is £3,400. So not 19. Yeah, I was really blown away by these pieces. It's Elsa Peretti. All of these pieces are Elsa Peretti. I think it's probably my favorite line. And yeah, I thought let's do a quick little story time video as well, because my first ever fine jewelry piece that I bought for myself from my first ever salary that I got was the Tiffany Co ring as well. And I was wearing it for years and years, every single day, and it stood for something. Because, like, guys, I know I'm a very private person, and you might know that by now, but I get all these messages, of course, all the time in terms of, you know, Romina, what did you do in the past? What was your job, etc. So I thought I'm just gonna give you a short little story time video, because I come from a background in science. You know, my parents wanted me to have a safe career to fall back on in case the creative stuff doesn't work out. And I finished that in Germany and then moved to the UK in 2013. So it's gonna be 10 years next year. And I came here to study film and television with a focus on film producing. And I did my bachelor's, I did my master's. And I was really, really lucky that very early on in my bachelor's degree, I found a mentor. You need a mentor. If you work in film, believe me, you need a mentor. Somebody, you know, who takes you under their wings and, you know, somebody who has connections and helps you, you know, get your foot into the door, basically, because it's a very difficult industry to work in. So I worked for this producer. She is the most amazing, most fabulous woman I've ever met. So I worked for her. She's done amazing films. I worked for BBC Films for her. I worked for an independent film company with her, and you know, I was basically starting as an assistant to producer, which is already quite a good step, because most people start as runners, most people start as, you know, trying to get in on a different path. So I was quite lucky. Oh guys, and I forgot to, I think, finish this story. So I basically started as an assistant to producer, then worked my way up to like an assistant producer. I worked in the art department as well. I don't know if there are any Meteor Garden fans out there. I worked on the remake of Meteor Gardens, Florence Foster Jenkins, Dancer. Like I said, I basically worked for BBC Films, some independent companies, but yeah, it's been a lot. And yeah, from my first ever little paycheck that I from the first money I ever saved, I basically went to Tiffany Co, because I wanted to buy myself a ring that meant something, you know, that I could achieve whatever I wanted. And I bought this beautiful amethyst ring. It was rose gold and it was an amethyst, a big amethyst in the middle, and I loved it. And I wore this piece for years, every single day. At some point, I think, because I left this life behind me as well, and it was beautiful, but there were several reasons as to why I wanted to leave the film industry. Maybe we get into that in a different video. I decided to give this ring to my mom. So, you know, my mom is trying it on in this video that you're seeing, and she loves that ring, and I think it looks really, really good on her. You can imagine, if you work in the film industry, there were not only positive experiences, there were also couple negative experiences, and I think I just wanted to leave that chapter behind me at some point, and that's when I decided to, you know, give this ring to my mom, because she would enjoy it from now on every single day basically. So she's very happy with it. I think she really loves it. And yeah, focus. Camera loves to go out of focus, sorry if that always happens. So yeah, that's a little story time. My first ever big purchase, my first ever fine jewelry purchase was a Tiffany Co ring, and here we are again. So yeah, this is the beautiful ring, and I love it. I think I could have not made a better decision, especially because I love how it looks like with all the other rings. It's, I think, a good decision. I wear all my gold rings here and my platinum ring, or rings, once I have my wedding band, here. Yeah guys, okay, so I think that is it. That is my little Tiffany Co unboxing and story time. Please let me know what kind of fine jewelry pieces you have in your collection, and what you're intending to buy soon. That would be amazing to hear. I still look for like a really beautiful like V-shaped necklace. I would love to find something nice. Haven't found anything yet that I'm willing to spend thousands on. Okay, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And I see you again very, very soon. Bye!